My name is Terry Van Dyke. I'm the instructor for Auto Collision Technologies. It'll be a 3-semester program with a diploma option. If you want a good education, come to Hawkeye. If you want to do hands-on learning, come to our program.
I had heard that Hawkeye had a really good auto body program, and knowing people that actually gone through it and just seeing where they went afterwards for their careers, it was really just kind of an eye-opener for me. I really want to go there.
Before I started at Hawkeye, I was going to Iowa State to be an ag teacher, and I just decided that wasn't what I wanted to do. I wanted to be more hands-on, getting dirty every day. Some days we're painting, some days we're pulling a car on the frame machine, other days we're working on older cars. It's not all just one thing every day. There's a lot of variety.
This is one of the premier shops. All of our equipment is up to date. It's what's being used out in the industry right now, so it's all newer equipment. We take in customer work, so it's a lot of real world experience for the student. I oversee the repair on to make sure it's done correctly. They get a lot of hands-on experience and a lot of knowledge given to them.
The shortage of technicians and just skilled trade in general, going out to school and learning it hands-on, and that's one thing that Hawkeye was really good on. What you learned in there, you're going to take out on the floor and you're physically going to do it. You're going to watch them do it first, and then they're going to show you as you do it what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, and really hone in on just skill level.
In the end, I would expect them to gain the knowledge that I transfer to them. I've done it for 31 years out there. I've been here for 8 years teaching. The knowledge of what it really takes to do it, to be organized, to take the knowledge you've learned, apply it, and move up through the ranks in the business. I have one shop that has 5 of our students there, another shop has 3. They really liked the students that come from here, the knowledge that they have, the way they can work independently. They know when they leave here how to do that.